it's Reiki from Pilates Nest. Welcome to your wrist stretch series designed to help you relieve tension, tightness, and pain from your wrist. Now more than ever, many of us are spending a lot of time using our computers, so oftentimes we're in a sedentary position, or using a smartphone, which is oftentimes causing tension in our wrist and limiting our range of motion on our wrist and even causing pain. So this stretch series is designed to help you relieve that and feel good and move your wrist with ease and comfort. So let's go ahead and get started. From here, you're gonna sit comfortably, whether you're sitting in a chair or on the floor comfortably, and you're gonna bring your hands right in front of you and just turn your wrist downward and upward. So from here, your wrist is turning downward. You're keeping your elbows side by side, so making sure the shoulders stay back as the wrist goes up and down. The forearm rotates, and you reach up and down, stretching the wrist. If you feel any pain there, try to see if you can limit that range of motion to make it a little bit smaller. So going up and down, up and down. 3 more, 2, last one, and in. Now going into our finger taps. So from here, point the pinky finger and the thumb, we're gonna touch and switch. So pointing it towards me as you touch. Touch each, so stretching out the hand all the way through the palm, through the fingertips. Sometimes it's all related, right? So tension in the wrist, there's often tightness in the palm and along the forearm. So going one finger at a time, which is also good for our hand-eye coordination as well too. Let's do it one more time. Going in, and one more time, going out. And in, and relax your hand. Now bring the hands up and make a little fist, and you're gonna circle and rotate the wrist. So we're not rotating our whole arm, just the wrist. You're gonna rotate out, around and in, out, around and in. Notice perhaps one side is more tighter, or because you're perhaps right-handed, so I feel a little bit more tightness on my right hand and right wrist. And then go the other way. So circling the wrist, out, around and in, out, around and in, circle down. So that emphasis on that down, especially right here, that's where we want to get a good stretch and release. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now from here, bring one hand forward. You're going to face the heel of your hand towards me and press gently onto the fingertips. So you're stretching, keep the arm in the shoulder joint as you stretch and hold there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax that hand and switch over to the other side. Gently stretch the heel of the wrist towards me and press onto the fingertips. Shoulders are down your back. Keep the shoulders stacked side by side as you keep reaching with the heel of the hand, stretching. You feel a good stretch through the forearm as well. 5 more counts. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the hand back. From here, bring the hands forward, and you're going to circle your wrist out with palm open as you face your hand out like a flamenco dancer. I like to call this my flamenco dancer. So you're going to go out and then in, out and in, and then going out. So you rotate out, circling the wrist, and then rotate back in, and in, and in, and out, and out, and out. Might feel a little bit of a heat in your forearm there. Let's go one more each way. And last one. Articulating through the fingertips all the way down, and rest your hand by your side. From here, make a fist, and you're going to cross and clasp your hand together. And from here, you're going to make a figure 8. So you're going to rotate going down and up, making a letter or number 8 going down and up. So getting a good stretch through the wrist. If you feel your shoulders shrugging up like mine did, I had to lower my arms down. So stretching out, around and in. Stretching the wrist and the hand. All the palms, get a good stretch there too. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax those fingertips. Now let's go on to our kneeling position. From here, your wrist is right underneath your shoulders and your knees are right underneath your hips. So we're going to do a moving rest position. Apply the weight on the wrist and you slightly sway back your body towards the heel and sway forward. So getting the heel of your hand anchored, applying a little bit of pressure there as you stretch back, in, out, and in. Let's do 3 more. The weight will actually help. 2. Last one, and in. Now from here, elbows are turned out. We're going to open and close, like rotating. Press the heel of your hand down onto the mat as you open the elbows out, in, out, like you're opening a jar. Now we're going to engage gently a little bit more of the fingertips as well as the whole palm as you rotate out and in. So pay attention to your body. If there's any strain, try to lighten up on that. Out and in. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And bring your hands back in. From here, turn around to face me. And now let's complete by massaging our forearm along the wrist. So from here, you're going to hold on to the hand with one hand and you're going to massage your hand in. So you're going to go in and you rotate your palm the other way. So the hand is coming in and then go the opposite direction as you rotate the opposite direction. Doesn't that feel so good? And we're going to stay in that wrist area a little bit more. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and let's go to the other side. So holding on to your wrist with one hand, and as you massage, you rotate externally and you turn the hand the opposite direction and travel up the forearm and out. Doesn't that feel so good? It feels good. Now I'm going to do the opposite. Since I was going this way, I'm going to go the other way and rotate the other way. Take time to massage and release any tightness or tension away from there. And out. Now we're going to stay near the wrist and keep rubbing here to release any tension. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you're all done. Great job, you guys. I hope this exercise routine, stretch routine is helpful for you to relieve any tension or tightness or pain you feel on your wrist. Remember, it just takes time to continue practicing this, and getting used to doing these practices will help you relieve that on a more regular basis. If you found this video to be helpful, let me know by commenting below and liking. And if you'd like more videos, specifically workout videos, Pilates workout videos to help you strengthen your whole body from head to toe, including your wrist, improving your flexibility, mobility as well, be sure to sign up for my free 30-minute Pilates workout. When you sign up, you'll get access to my free 30-minute Pilates workout video that you can do from the convenience and comfort of your own home. All right, guys, I will see you next time on your mat very soon.